Hi, how are you? Today, this is Kingfish. We're gonna cook we're gonna show you how to cook scrumptious kingfish. The best. So let's see. So first, lemon. Lemon, very important. It makes the fish, doesn't smell like fish. So lemon is very important. So you wanna open even and get it in it. We're gonna even put it inside. We're gonna cook it like that. See? And then right here, you're gonna open the fish. This kingfish. Like this. Squeeze the lemon in there. The seeds, lemon seeds, is no problem. See? And then I'm gonna leave inside in the fish. Excellent. So we have more lemon. We're gonna use all this lemon because this is big fish. This is huge fish. You want a lot of lemon on it. So you flip it a little. Now this side. You squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. And put inside the lemon, you put it inside. Like that. See, see some seeds, you just get a few out. But the seeds are not a problem. It's gonna be delicious and you will not feel the seeds. But be careful. See, like that, lemon. Now, guys, we're gonna show you best cooking ever. So, see, I'm gonna show you more things. So this is mayo. This is pretty average, like mayo, like that. This is nothing special, but you have to do this. Kind of, you don't have to. But I like it. It makes the fish, soft, like meat, juicy. You're gonna put on the fish. Then you're gonna flip it. See, we have all the lemons in this fish. Beautiful fish. See, I'm gonna grab this mayo more here. And now, see, look at this fish. Look at the teeth. Oh man, beautiful fish. Beautiful. See, I'm gonna show you something very cool now. Very cool. This is only, you see this stuff on only this channel. Chuck Puff. Chuck Puff. So look, what we're gonna do. Banana peppers. You see banana peppers? Oh yeah, banana peppers. See? We're gonna grab banana peppers. And put inside. Put inside this fish. See, and then here. Banana peppers. Now, we have olives. See, we have napkins, American patriotic napkins. See? We have more. But we like these the best. Because we're in America and they treat us good. Most of the time. Let's see. See, we put inside. See, put more inside. Like this. All in here. Then, see, you want it all inside like a Subway sandwich. But this is much better than Subway. This is Kingfish. Kingfish. Now, we're gonna grab mustard. Mustard. Like that. Mustard. Then we have ketchup. We just purchased, still not open. I gotta open it quick. Very cool. Now we have, see, sweet marinated bell peppers. We're gonna grab this pepper. This is good pepper. It's just cooked like that. Now we're gonna take this pepper, put one in here, break it up, put some in here inside the fish. this mustard and ketchup on the fish. Beautiful. We have more peppers. More. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. We're gonna put a pepper in the side of the fish because it has very sharp teeth. See, very sharp teeth. See, pepper inside. We stuffed it. We stuffed it. Olives, ketchup. Oh, so beautiful. Now, let me real quick. I'm gonna my hands a little. But beautiful fish. This is very big fish, and amazing. It should be very delicious. See, we have complete seasoning. Complete seasoning. See, you need to open this side. Oh yeah. Oh, see. Oh, you want everywhere. Seasoning like that. Then we have parsley. See? We have a lot of trick, guys. This is best cooking, like generations, passed on. We hope, this is best. I hope you like it, Oh, yeah. Then, seafood, this is, we in Atlanta, here, Asian food very popular. This is soy sauce. Soy sauce, we're gonna pour inside the fish, outside a little bit. Very beautiful. See, like that. Then, guys, we have orange juice. See, orange juice. Delicious. See, like that. Orange juice. So good. I'm sorry for slurp. I apologize. So now, guys, next thing we have to worry about, grill. We have George Foreman grill. You have to turn it on. This is the big George Foreman grill. You have to turn on. See, we have the top right here. We have oil, and we're not done, with the spices. We're gonna do more spices, believe me. So olive oil. Let's show you. We're gonna put the olive oil on the grill because very important. Like when you're cooking, something I learned, from my dad. When you're cooking, the grill or the stove, or your pan, before you put the food on, it has to be already hot. So right now, I can't put the fish on this grill because it's still cold. And I'm gonna put it on high now because I need it to warm up fast to show you. But I'm gonna cook the fish on low. So you want the pan when you're putting food on it, fish, whatever, you want the pan to be hot. But when you're cooking, lower temperature is much better for cooking. Always better. You're always gonna get better results. So now we're gonna wait for this to get hot. It shouldn't take too long. Let's see. Oh, I feel it getting hot. It's very good. There's George Foreman. Oil, we put the oil. So now look, this fish looks beautiful. Very beautiful fish. So I'm gonna grab this grill. Looks like it got hotter. Let's see. We're gonna put a little bit more oil. Just a little. Boom. It's hot now. And that's it. Fish goes on the grill. Check it out. See, we have a lot of stuff inside because we're good at cooking. See? And we're gonna put it on this grill. Oh man. See, pepper, put it back inside. This grill is already hot. So hot. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. This looks so beautiful. I want to eat it already, but it's not ready yet. See, this pepper we can leave one time. it up. So we're not done with the spices though. My cutie, she's gonna add more spices. More spice. Let's see. This is healthy, you know, Kingfish seafood. Seafood. Let's see. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. See, we love seafood. See, more seafood. Check out my channel. We cook a lot of seafood, and coming up also more. See, patriotic Thai. Okay, so veggie cubes, veggie cubes. This is for flavor. This is very important for flavor. See, she's opening veggie cube because we're gonna close with that lid. You see this lid? We're gonna close, and now she's gonna put this veggie cube. This is good for soups, but when you close the lid, you know, this flavor is gonna stay in the fish. It's gonna be in the fish. It's gonna be in the fish. See, she put it on. Excellent, excellent. Fish looks so good. Baby, can you close the lid? See, and now I'm making temperature, see? Low temperature. Like I said, I put it on like 1, you know, this is good. 2, see? Oh. So now you see this fish we have in here. It's stuffed fish, stuffed kingfish. 15 pounds, almost 20. Stuffed, look at it. Whole fish. Amazing, amazing. I think it's amazing. I hope you think so. And I hope, you know, you like our channel. We really tried, you know, to make this video good for you. And we hope you like it. We hope you enjoy it. We show you, you know, when this fish is done. We're gonna show you. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. See tail. They looks like they cut the tail, you know. We fishing too. We have fishing videos, hunting videos coming up this September, you know, because September is when you can hunt. We're gonna have hunting videos. Chuck Puff channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. We're gonna close. We're gonna close. The head, you know, you can't really eat, so it doesn't matter that the head is not in the thing. The tail we're gonna take care of, you know, because when you cook, the food, you know, shrinks, and you know that's what happens. But see what we use. See, complete seasoning. We used ketchup. We used marinated peppers, soy sauce. We used parsley. See parsley in here. Lemon juice, but we didn't use this lemon juice. We used the real lemons, and we actually stuffed the fish with it. See, we have stuff. Check it out. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, baby. Do peace for them. Thank you. Thank you very much. And see, fish. Check us out. Check us out. Thank you for watching. Slow temperature for a long time, and it'll be ready. See, I'm gonna make it a little more. With these George Foreman's, you want this light, you know, to be barely red. As soon as it turns red, you stop. Like that. It's a brand new grill, you know, we just bought. We had another one, same one, but it was a little old. Thank you for watching. See, this is our kitchen. We appreciate, you know, when you check out our kitchen. God bless. God bless. Be safe. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.